Hi guys, welcome back to Natural and Glamorous. If you are new around here, my name is Jamie and I talk every week about natural lifestyle, natural beauty, and natural homes. So this week I'm going to be sharing with you a quick and easy tutorial on how to make your own all-purpose spray. I literally make 2 spray bottles for my house and clean all surfaces with it. It is so simple and so easy to do, and as with the theme of this entire DIY series, it is so much healthier for your body. So before we get started and I take you into my kitchen, I want to share with you 3 reasons why you should be making your own DIY all-purpose cleaner. So let's talk about our cleaning products and our personal care products in general. It actually takes only 26 seconds once something touches our skin to be absorbed into our body. So although you may think that something that you're cleaning with or something that you are putting on the outside of your body is not affecting your inside wellness, that is not actually the case. Think about how nicotine patches and birth control patches are used. The second reason you really want to be doing this is because of hidden chemicals. So the term fragrance is a blanket term that companies are allowed to hide chemicals under the trade secret laws of products. So they can hide the chemicals that they're using under the word fragrance on the bottle to protect their trade secrets of what that scent is actually coming from. I talk about this extensively in my second DIY video, how to make your own room sprays and why you should be doing that. So I will link that below and up above. You can click on that when you're done watching this. And the third reason why you really want to be making your own all-purpose spray is because once you walk on your floors after you have washed them, or you touch your countertops after you've cleaned them, think about your kids and how many surfaces in your house they are constantly touching, and your pets, how many surfaces in your house they are touching and licking constantly. Once those chemicals are absorbed into your body, they are system disruptors. Your body literally does not know what to do with foreign substances like man-made chemicals, and it has a really hard time processing them out. And what happens over time is they accumulate and build up, and the chemical buildup is making it so much harder for your body to function properly, for your immune system to function properly, for your hormones and your endocrine system to function properly. So making your own all-purpose cleaner will totally change the health of your family. It also is just so fulfilling to use such wholesome ingredients and know that you are cleaning your home with safe product. Okay, so let's jump into some of the supplies that you'll need to make your all-purpose cleaner. You want to grab an amber glass bottle off of Amazon. These are so super cheap. I will link them below. These bottles will protect your essential oils and make sure to maintain the cleaning properties of the oils that we want to use. So the next thing that you'll need are some essential oils. 3 oils that I love using in my all-purpose cleaner that not only make it smell delicious, but it also takes out some of the odors out of the air and keeps everything the freshest and the cleanest possible. So I love the Thieves oil. Thieves is the wellness keeper. It supports immune systems, and it's a great oil to put into your all-purpose cleaner to not only fill your home with like a Christmassy, fall scented smell, which Thieves is delicious, but it also will support the immune systems of anybody touching the surfaces that you clean afterwards, which is awesome. The other oil that I love to put in my all-purpose cleaner is Citrus Fresh. This is a great citrus smell. It smells like orange and a little bit of spearmint, and it's really great at removing odors, so it is totally great to add to your cleaning products. And the last oil I want to talk about is lemon. Lemon is an amazing cleaning oil in general. I use lemon to remove sticky things like stickers off of products that I purchased, or like temporary tattoos off of my son. I also use lemon as a bleach alternative, and I put it with vinegar in my washing machine, and I use it in my dishwasher to make my dishes sparkly and shiny without having to buy a store-bought product. If you're a member of Young Living, they also have an amazing product called the Thieves Cleaner. I highly recommend Thieves Cleaner. I was making my own oily concoction with the essential oils and water, or essential oils and vinegar in a glass spray bottle, until I discovered Thieves Cleaner. It is plant-based and infused with Thieves essential oil and lemon essential oil, and it does a fantastic job and also saves you a lot of money. You fill 1 cap of the Thieves Cleaner per 16-ounce bottle and the rest with water, and you're good for a few months. Okay, so 3 ingredients is all you need: your spray bottle, your oils or your thieves cleaner, and some water. So let's go into the kitchen and get started. Okay, so let's make our all-purpose cleaner. You guys are gonna be so shocked about how easy this is. So once you grab your bottle, you just wanna open it up and drop your essential oils on the bottom, just like all of our DIY products. So if you're using essential oils, you want to use about 30 drops total, so you can mix and match whatever cleaning oils you want at the bottom of that bottle. I would probably do 20 drops of Thieves and 10 drops of Citrus Fresh or Lemon. If you're using the Thieves cleaner, you're just going to take 1 cap of this cleaner, which is what I'm going to use today, and you're going to pour it into your spray bottle. Okay, so once the oils or the cleaner is inside, you can actually add some more oils on top of your Thieves cleaner if you want to enhance the smell. I love adding Citrus Fresh. Again, it takes odors out of the air, so it's great to enhance your cleaners, and it smells so delicious. Or you can add some lemon on top of that, or some spearmint would be a really great smell for your cleaners and give you like an uplifting, fresh, clean smell. So then on top of your oils or your cleaner, you're just going to add water. You can also replace the water with white vinegar. I personally am not a fan of the white vinegar smell, and I feel like it masks the smell of the essential oils a little bit too much, and it's not necessary when I'm cleaning with oils, so I just use water. Okay, and then once you have your oils and your water, you're going to give it a little shake. Now, if you're just using straight essential oils and the water, I do recommend adding a splash of witch hazel because oils and water do not mix. So the witch hazel will keep those two things combined for you. So every time you spray, you get the oils and the water at the same time. Or you can shake gently to mix those up before you spray. If you're using the Thieves cleaner, that cleaner actually acts as a mixing agent for the water and the oils. So no need for the witch hazel. So you can spray this on granite, you can spray it on stainless steel, you can spray it on your wood, you can spray it on your countertops, you can spray it anywhere on your toilets that you need cleaning, and it will do a fantastic job for you. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends if they will enjoy making their own DIY cleaners. To grab my 5 favorite DIY recipes, you can head over to naturalandglamorous.com. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell to never miss a video again. I will see you guys next week with another quick and easy DIY tutorial.